Hello everyone, today I want to introduce a hot-selling product of our Sunsil, matte gold aluminum coating standard pouch with zipper. There are total 9 sizes available. Outside the color is matte gold. Both sides has an easy tear design. The sealing edge is very smooth. Inside the color is silver, with a self-sealing zipper, can be used repeatedly. Here is the bottom. It's widened, thickened, standing bottom. Good sealing, and they are all heat sealable. Total 9 sizes are available, and we can also provide customized service. If you are interested, welcome to contact us. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.